guys, I still got a lot of questions around how fast it is to deploy the Foot Fisher. I'm going to show you real quick. You have 2 wire loops. One goes on this hook. One goes on the other hook. Make sure your cables are on this guide. Clamp your wire guide onto whatever it is that attaches your pole to your boat, and you're ready. Just that easy. Now I'm steering this with my foot. You guys want to see? No shenanigans. You're steering it with your foot now. So it's as easy as that. It, you know, takes seconds. Now let's say you want to spot hop somewhere else. I'm gonna show you how fast it is to pick it up. All you do is that in reverse. Just unscrew your clamp. Pop that off. Pop your wires off. And you're ready to go. So it's lightning fast. I hope that helps with how fast it is to attach and detach.